Peanut butter. Hello everyone.
Oh, that was high. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Is that Cooking with Naomi?
Finally!
Yeah, it's finally happening. That is exciting. Comment down below if you're still from the Snap fam when I did Cooking with Naomi on Snapchat. The real OG. One day I woke up and I felt like just cooking every broccoli recipe out there. That's what I'm doing. Of course, I can't be making every broccoli recipe on this planet because I think there are a lot. Well, I know now because you guys sent me some. Not some, a lot. I have picked my favorite ones and yeah, we're gonna cook some broccoli recipes today.
Are you gonna give them broccoli ratings?
That would be really clever.
Oh.
The recipe we are gonna be doing first, and that is broccoli ice cream. It sounds really weird, and it's probably gonna be weird, but also it's gonna be super healthy. I saw this video, which is kind of a TV show or something, and they really hyped that shit up. It should literally be the most healthy thing in the world. It should be the most delicious thing in the world, and it should solve all your problems in your life. And that's why I'm doing this, because I need exactly that.
We have the Thrive doctors, our friends, Dr.
Mental makeover. Mental makeover. So I bought spinach. I bought frozen blueberries. And of course frozen broccoli. And some chia seeds.
Peanut butter.
And some flax seeds. And some almond milk. And this shit, which was so freaking expensive, you don't even want to know. Whey protein ice cream powder. Never heard of it before, but apparently it's a thing. This shit cost me 20 fucking bucks. Bugs. And yeah, that's actually it. That's how we're gonna be making our super healthy, life-saving, yummy broccoli ice cream. Wait, listen. So first we're gonna cut the banana like this. Do you guys like when I cut my banana? That's very loud. Ah, lost me banana. 1 cup frozen broccoli. Oh, that's so cute.
Yum.
Maybe not too much. They stayed so much. Period time. I need scissors. And now I'm adding some flax seeds, but not too much. Now chia seeds. Chia LaBeouf. Help. Careful, don't spill anything while doing that. Now that we made a mess here on this table, we're done.
We like it peanutty.
We like it peanutty.
I love your tongue. Purpula.
Great stuff. Scoopity whoop. Look at this. Doesn't that look super healthy and yumminess and Well, so this is supposed to be a green ice cream, but so far it really just looks red. Let's turn this shit up. That's very loud. So this is what it currently looks. So this is what it looks like so far. It's really red. I'm gonna put more broccoli in there. Bye, little broccoli.
Oh, yum.
So this is the ice cream. It does not really look like broccoli ice cream yet, but maybe it's gonna taste amazing.
Pop it in the freezer.
Yes. Good night, looking forward to my broccoli ice cream. Okay guys, so that was the broccoli ice cream so far. It needs to freeze to death now and then I can try it out tomorrow. Hey! Hey, here I am again. Let's carry on cooking. So I'm back with my broccolis and the next recipe is gonna be broccoli cheese nuggets. And for that purpose, I need to wash and steam this broccoli. So actually, we're gonna leave. Okay, so first we're gonna wash this. Because we don't want no dirty broccoli. It's definitely enough if there's one dirty broccoli in the room. Does that look good to you? Oh, look, a little one fell off. Oh. Okay, so I just cut the broccoli and I put it into the boiling water, and now I should leave it in there for about 10 minutes so it gets a little soft like me. Oh, and by the way, Vincent got a haircut. What do you think? Yes, show the angles. Yes, show the brush cut. Hello, we are back here and what? Hello, we are back here, and while we are waiting for the broccoli to finish, we can already cut our ingredients, which includes onion and garlic. I don't even bother looking at the recipe. Ooh, she's so...
Porpula.
Porpula. I was about to say that.
Yeah.
The broccoli is done. Let's go get it. Let's get out of there. Steaming.
Great stuff.
While we wait till this cools down, we're gonna finish cutting the onion. This is a cutting tool. Now I can feel them. Woo!
But you're no crybaby. But the onion makes you cry lately.
Oh! Do you think that's enough? Can you please answer? Oh my god! That is amazing! Have you ever seen this? An onion. A cut onion. But this was so fast!
Oh my god, what the hell?
When you're just super bad at cooking, so you just cry. Is my makeup still okay? Look, I am prepared. Do I look that bad?
Yep.
Oh. So now we got the still a little bit hot broccoli right here. But that should be fine. He's hot. What a mess. Now let's add the onion and the garlic. Now we need to add an egg. Now I'm gonna add some curd or quark. And it's a tablespoon, but I just have a teaspoon, so. And I need to add some cheddar. Then we're gonna twist it, lock it, polka dot it. Yum! I'm literally just adding 1 tablespoon of flour. Am I done with this video? Now we're gonna put this into the oven. I'm going to form some little chicken nuggets. Is that what it looks like? Is that a broccoli nugget? You don't think so? Yay, look, I did it! I made 15 beautiful cheese broccoli nuggets, and this one, he looks a little sad, and I don't know what this is. But believe me, he's gonna be the best one out of them. Yes, you rock. Now these are gonna go into the oven at 180 degrees. And then we'll see you in a couple of minutes. Bye! Wow. Okay guys, here are my finished broccoli cheese nuggets. Which one would you like? Oh, it's a mini one. Oh. I think it's yummy. This is probably the best thing I've ever cooked. This is probably the only thing I've ever cooked.
That's good.
I gotta say, I'm really impressed with these. And I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 broccoli.
Same.
Really?
Yeah, I like them.
Can't wait to eat these tonight for dinner. And I think it's time for the next recipe. Woo! Okay, so for the next recipe, I'm super excited because it's gonna be one of my favorite things in the world. Pesto. You guys know I love pesto and I love pasta and I love broccoli, and now I'm gonna be able to combine all of it, and that is amazing. Time to cook some more broccoli. Okay, so here's my beautiful cooked broccoli, which was cooked for a long time. Now I am just gonna toss that broccoli in there. We're gonna add some olive oil. Don't know how much. 30 milliliter of chicken broth. Next, some almonds.
Or not.
And some basil. I couldn't find like fresh basil, so I bought frozen basil. Time for some Knobi, as we Germans say.
Still in its skin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cut.
Oh.
When you pop a pimple.
I made it.
Yay!
And just a tiny bit. Oh. And a little bit of lemon. Okay, are you ready, guys? Ooh.
Does it have a good consistency?
I think so.
Yes, get on the ladder, girl.
Bop, 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 bop to the top. So guys, this is the finished broccoli pesto. I think it actually tasted good on my pinky. And this is actually a recipe from a fellow German YouTuber, Crispy Rob. And I watched his video about broccoli recipes and this was in there. I hope it's gonna taste good, Crispy Rob.
Rob.
You robbed me! Also next I'm gonna be doing a pasta meal. And then I already cooked some pasta for the pasta.
Love this broccoli video.
Sponsored by coconuts. Organic is food.
Okay, give us a coconut joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Coco.
Coco who?
Coconut.
I get it.
What? You do?
Yeah, it's so
Okay.
funny.
Explain.
Let's see if they get it.
Comment down below.
Every time I clean the range hood, this happens.
The what? Look, I broke my sweater. So next, we moved into the kitchen because we are probably just gonna be in the kitchen for this recipe. I am gonna do pasta with broccoli and mango.
Mango?
Mango?
I think it's gonna taste great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, I can feel it coming again. I can feel it coming. No, please don't do this to me. No. You want to see beautifully cut onion?
No.
Okay. And I need to cut the broccoli, but this time we're not gonna cook it.
You're not?
Time to roast some bitches. And by that I mean my onions. Oh, do not look at this. This is not what I anticipated. I hate myself. And now I bought some chicken. It's organic, so don't at me. And a little bit of water. So now you just wanna leave it in there, put the lid on, and just let it do its thing. I'm gonna cut this mango. Vincent is cutting the mango now because I was not able to do it. Yeah, I never cut a mango because I'm not a huge fan of mangoes.
I am.
Also, I feel like this mango was not like super ripe. It's still really hard. Also, I'm filming on my phone because the battery of my camera died. Sorry, but this should suffice. Now we are going to put this in. Zitronen, Thymian, fruchtig. I think this is like thyme or whatever. You can see it. Hey. And now we're just gonna add some salt and pepper. I already added some salt and pepper, so I don't want to overdo it. And we are gonna add the pasta we cooked 2 ages ago. It all turned into a big blob of pasta. And now we're gonna add the mango. Maybe not too much.
Oh my god!
Okay, I think we're done.
Done? Pepper, pepper, bo pepper, banana, banana, bo pepper, FIFA, mo pepper.
Pepper. Time to serve. Looks.
Yeah. We lost the friend! Wow, so professional.
Yum. Okay, guys, so done right now. We want to eat our broccoli meals.
Yep. Trying to get all the ingredients.
Same. It's good, but I don't know if it's good because I'm super hungry or if it's like actually good.
Maybe a bit more broccoli to call it a broccoli pasta.
You're calling my broccoli meal not a broccoli meal? What are you gonna give the broccoli mango pasta?
It tastes average. I think probably a 6 out of 10.
I'd give it a 6 out of 10 as well. Some of the pesto now.
literally smells like normal pesto.
It does. It's really garlicky.
Off to a great start. We should do this more often.
I want more.
This is a winner for me. This version probably an 8 out of 10, but like with more basil and broccoli, 10 out of 10. Probably even more.
So we just got the ice cream.
Would you buy that?
I don't think I've ever seen something less appealing than this.
You think?
Yes.
Ice cream. Cheers.
Oh, actually, at the beginning I thought I was gonna vomit, but at the end it was okay. I mean, it's not good, but also you saw what we put in there. It's more like a cold ass smoothie.
I mean, but we're still eating it.
I don't know why.
Okay.
So what broccoli rating are you gonna give the broccoli ice cream?
I mean, it's edible. It doesn't suck. 4 out of 10.
Okay, I give it 4 too. It sounds like I'm always just giving your rating, but I think it's a 4. You could eat it. Like, just don't be a pussy.
Great job.
Thanks. Vincent likes stuff I cook. That's crazy. So our all-time favorite is definitely the pesto. Also, do you think I should do more cooking with Naomi on YouTube? Because that was literally my first ever cooking video and it sucked the life out of me. Would you like more?
Do you want to kill her?
Yes! Subscribe! Alright guys, that's actually it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat.
and the Naomijon on
Twitter. I don't know, I feel like I gotta come up with some new
yeah,
stuff.
yeah. I'm glad I bought my egg cutter.
What would you have done without it?
Not cut any eggs, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Yeah, I'm gonna eat some ice cream now.